Hi, I'm Rekha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tie your hair into a bun using just a hair stick. No bobby pins are required for this hairstyle.
First, collect your hair into a ponytail. Hold the base of your ponytail with your left hand. Do not remove your left hand until the end. Take your right hand and twist your ponytail like this. Now rotate the ponytail around the left hand, forming it into a bun. Do it until you reach the end of your hair. Tuck in the ends like this. Now take your hairpin and push it inside the bun from the center, where you have kept your left hand. It should touch your scalp. From there, slant it towards the left and push it inside. You will feel the pin going through your hair. Now bring out the end of the pin through the left side of your twist, like this. You can remove your left hand now, and there you go. So you don't need additional pins because your hair is tightly secured now. See, my hair is not coming out even after shaking my head. You can loosen the hairdo if you like by pulling out strands from the sides of your ears to give it a messy bun look. I will quickly show you how you can do it with a color pencil. The steps are the same. It doesn't matter to me if it is summer or winter. I always prefer to tie my hair up. So this is my go-to hairstyle. The best part of this hairstyle is that you don't need multiple pins to secure it. You just need a hair stick. I bought this hair stick from AliExpress and the link to this is in the description box below. I hope you liked my hairstyle. You might have to practice this multiple times, but please do try it out. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.
Today I'm going to show you how to tie your hair into a hair stick